welcome back to Campbell's Freedom Farm. So Stefan and I are going to go ahead
and plant
sunflowers. But the reason we're doing this is we did this last year, so you'll have to check out our older video as well. And this is our newest updated one. Okay, so first I wanted to say that we have our evening sunflowers and we mark them. And they're 6 to 7 foot tall. And what you do is you soak them. So we soaked them overnight. And then now we are ready to plant them. Except for this time, we're going to do something different. And we're going to plant them in the peat pellets. We have the Jiffy. So what's great about these is they're biodegradable. You just put them straight in there. You're not polluting the planet this way.
But also they're hard to get.
Yeah, so we got to actually pour water over them.
Warm water.
So we're going to put 6 in there.
I don't got water one in there. Really cute.
And we got to put right here, we got to put this on the top. And 6 will fit right in this bowl perfectly. And then Stefan's going to back up just a little bit because it is hot water from our kettle. And we're going to pour it right on top. And they will grow
about 1 meter.
1 meter, 4 times their size. As you can see, they really absorb the water. Kids love watching this. It's a really cool activity you can do.
Oh, I think we need a little more water.
And I think what's great about this company is they actually replant more of these than what they use. Wow. They're finishing soaking up. They're warm, and we actually prefer it as that. You know what's really great about this company, we had to do our research, is they cover their footprint. And what else I have to say, a lot of companies, they use plastic. I mean, so many would just put these little pellets. Sometimes the individual plastics are just together, and it's ridiculous. So what's great is the whole box is recyclable. These go straight into the garden. And why we're using this for sunflowers, it's actually interesting, is that sunflowers are one of those that don't like to touch their roots. So this keeps them separate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in our eggshells. We have another set of plants here. And then Stefan is gonna come over here and he's gonna go ahead and put the seeds in. He's really convinced to let the stray cat. All right, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. And you just poke a little, use your pinky and poke a little hole in there. Okay, you gotta put 1 seed in. This side. Come on, this side. This side. Okay, so we'll put our seeds in after they've already soaked. The hardest part of this is actually just getting the seeds out.
They're really cool. Oh, you're like...
Just pay attention to what one you put it in.
No, I didn't put in. Now I need to put the one.
Okay.
Oh, the one? Nope. The one.
This one? Perfect. Okay. And also I wanted to say one more thing. Either you dig in your recyclable and then you have these. It's like a little, almost like a greenhouse, and then it keeps them ready to. So as you can see, it's already like a greenhouse. You can see the steam coming up. So it's really a great way to use any recyclable. And if you don't use these, you could just dig in the dumpster. It's a little late in the day, I have to say. So just go dig and find some. But if not, just go ahead and use this, and it really is a perfect greenhouse. So go ahead and plant sunflowers with your children. They'll love it. It's a lot of fun. And I think these are perfect since they don't like to touch each other. All right, so we're all done planting, and Stefan and I are going to let you know how these sunflowers go and how they grow, and we can't wait to see what they look like in the garden this summer.
Oh, really.
Well, please subscribe,
like, and yeah, and make your bell button come.